Search engine optimization, or SEO, is an effective tool used to increase search engine ranking. Optimizing your website and its content will ultimately increase your company's visibility in organic searches. For small businesses or startups, developing and implementing an SEO strategy will increase brand awareness, drive online traffic, and generate revenue. Here are a few tips to get started. First, strengthen your website. A high-converting website is fast, mobile-friendly, and aesthetically pleasing. These criteria are what will drive traffic to your website or send it away. It only takes users a matter of seconds to decide whether they will remain on or navigate away from a website. You want users to stay and return to your site in the future. Therefore, your load speed should be about 3 seconds or less. Your site should include features and content that are user-friendly on both mobile devices and desktops. And your site should also incorporate modern elements that are pleasing to the eye. Second, create and optimize useful content. Consumers are looking for easy, efficient solutions to their everyday problems, and your content should provide just that. If consumers benefit from what you are publishing, they will likely come back for more. This content may include regular blog posts or videos. When developing your content, ask yourself, what are consumers searching for? Publishing searchable content is key to appearing in organic searches. Additionally, you must optimize your content by utilizing keywords and phrases throughout your website that are searchable, specific, and relevant to your industry. Last, utilize Google My Business. Your Google My Business profile is linked to your Google listing. By updating your profile regularly and embedding your Google Map location in your website's contact page, your business is more likely to appear in local searches. Contact Springwood Marketing today to schedule an SEO consultation to begin boosting your Google search ranking.